Hello everyone. We are going to talk about when you need to start a project as an owner, where is you shall go. As an owner, we can call you as an owner. You can call you as a client. First step to start your project, you have to go to architectural engineer. What is the scope of architectural engineer? The architectural engineers, they know the rules of the area you live in the authorities which give you the license to build your buildings. So he take your requirements, what you want in your project, and combine it with the authority rules and give you the result as a design plan. You can check your plans and put your comments, and he can revise the design within the rules also. The architect also he give you view of how your building will look like. So it can give you elevations, side views, showing you your building shape when it is done. The architect engineer, he could be individual engineer who have authorized to give you design and makes the license for you if the building is small building, private. And it could be a big firm engineering having architect and other discipline of engineers to give you the design if the project is big. The engineer, after finish the project, it's handed to you. He can process and help you to assign contractor to build your buildings in reality. So the contractor also will be part of the process to construct your building in reality. Both the engineer and contractor are dealing with the authorities to get the permissions to start the work. And you as a client, you make your deals and contract with both parties, the architect and the contractor. Hope this video help you to understand how to start the project, where is to go, and what parties you will deal with. Thank you so much.